This is Aaron here with another episode of Pure Air Care. I wanted to reach out to you guys just to tell you there's so many companies out there right now that don't have the proper equipment. When you call Pure Air Care, we're going to do it right the first time. That's the number right there. You need to give us a call. We have the negative air machines to do the job right. The vans are organized. When you get a lot of companies that say they're carpet cleaners and they're air duct cleaners and they're going to wash your windows and they're going to walk your dog, just know they don't have the proper equipment to do your air ducts. It takes a full-size van with 100-gallon tanks and the large negative air machines to do it right the first time. No one's going to clean your air ducts better, and we guarantee it.